Okay, now we're going to go into making larger forms. This is going to be a pitcher. I've already centered my lump of clay and I'm ready to make the pitcher. And this is probably about 4 pounds of clay. So just like with the mug, I'm going to open up the bottom and compress it. Check the depth to make sure that it's deep enough, which it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull it up. It's important when you're trying to make a tall cylindrical piece to make a cone when you first start. If you try to pull straight up to make a cylinder, your clay is going to flap right out and you're not going to get what you're looking for. So that's the first step, is to make yourself a nice, sturdy, thick cone.